Introduction to input and output devices. Input devices. Keyboard. Used to type letters, numbers, and commands into the computer. Mouse. Helps to move the cursor and click on items on the screen. Microphone. Captures sound and allows us to speak into the computer. Scanner. Copies images and documents into the computer. Webcam. Takes pictures and records videos for video calls. Output devices. Monitor. Displays pictures, videos, and text on the screen. Printer. Prints text and images on paper. Speaker. Produces sound from the computer. Headphones. Allows only one person to hear sound privately. Projector. Displays images and videos on a large screen.